Today we're going to keep talking about equations and about solving equations, but today we're going to talk about what happens when you need to use multiplication or division instead of addition or subtraction to solve them. So let's look together at number 1. Okay, we're still using inverse operations. So this is saying 4 times a number is 20. So let's divide everything by 4. B equals 20 divided by 4 is 5. We just undid that multiplication using division. Look at number 5. What's the opposite of multiplying by -2? Dividing. 18 divided by -2 is -9. And it makes sense because -2 times -9 is positive 18. On number 9, we're going to divide both sides by -2. -20 divided by -2 is positive 10. On number 2, we're going to divide both sides by 6. B equals 24 divided by 6 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24, so I know I got it right. On number 6, actually, you know what? I'm going to leave these two for you to do. I feel like I'm doing all the multiplication ones, so I'm going to box those in. Y'all are going to do those on your own. Why don't you do them on your own right now? And then we'll move on to multiplication. Okay, so try these two. Okay, so x is being multiplied by -5, so I'm going to divide by -5. -20 divided by -5 is 4. 4 equals x. On number 10, we're going to divide both sides by 3. So b would equal -4. Okay, number 3. Y is being divided by -4. What's the opposite of division? It's multiplication. This is really crammed, sorry. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. And I get y equals -20 times 4. That's -80. On number 7, what's the opposite of dividing by 4? Multiply by 4. And x equals 40. On number 11, what's the opposite of dividing by -2? Multiplying by -2. And I get 8 times -2 is -16. So why don't you guys do 4, 8, and 12, and then we'll check your answer. On 4, you should have got -18 because we're multiplying both sides by 6. On number 8, you should have got p equals -15 because we're multiplying both sides by 3. And on number 12, you should have got z equals 72 because you're multiplying both sides by 6. So look at this bottom example. It says you buy 5 plants and the total is $27.50. How much did each plant cost? So 5 plants equal $27.50. So I want to know what one plant is. So I'm going to divide by 5. So I'm going to come over here, $27.50 divided by 5. 5 goes into 27 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract. 5 goes into 25 5 times. Bring down a 0, and that's 0. So each plant would be $5.50.